Welcome to Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video we are continuing the video word chart tutorial for the cross weave. We are on row 8. We've just added a new string in the last video and we are now ready to add the last set for a decreasing row. Now when you add a last set for a decreasing row, it begins just like all your other sets in the row. You'll take the string coming in towards your previous row and go through the next side bead, which should be the second to last side bead. That way you know that you are in the correct position. So here we are, the second to last side bead. We will go through it. Then we will take the same string. You want to continue with the same string. And you're going to add your 2 beads, which we need 2 A colors. And we will let those, both of them, drop down. And then with the same string, see we're using the same string, we're going to go through the top bead of our current row. There's the top bead of our current row. We want to go through it in towards the previous row. And there we have added the first 2 beads for, or the last 2 beads for row 8. Now to position for the next row, we need to go down through the previous set and out. So taking the string that's coming in towards the previous row, we will go down through the previous set and then out. Now this is where our knot is, so it'll be a little harder to find a way through it. Sometimes I do the knot in one of the side beads for this reason, but usually with my plastic faceted beads I don't have too much trouble, except for today of course. I'm trying to show you. It's coming through. There we go. Now remember that we do have a new string, so you don't want to pull one string too tight without the other, or you could accidentally make one shorter than the other. Now that we have both of our strings coming out on either side of the second side bead, we are ready to cross that second side bead with both strings. So you just take the string and you enter it from the side that the string is on. And there we are. We have crossed the second side bead of the row we just finished. And now we are ready to begin the next row. I hope to see you in the next video.